I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I am not going to be doing a voiceover for the entire thing, but I just wanted to show you guys some of the swatches for the purple glitters from glitterplanetuk.com, and I'll have them hopefully listed on the screen. I thought I already did that, but obviously not. I'll just do that now. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. This isn't all of the purple glitters, but just some of them that I had time to do. So I hope you enjoy. Have the links down below. Don't forget to use the code NINJA10 for 10% off your entire order, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah! So I really hope you guys enjoyed that video and loved looking at the swatches. I just love doing swatches of glitter and seeing the final results. They look super, super gorgeous. So yeah, don't forget to thumbs up this video, share it and comment down below which one you liked the best, and I'll see you in my next one. Please always remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Goodbye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.